Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kim here, and today is Arm's Length Art Saturday, and we're making tickets today. Now I'm trying something new, so if you've been following along on Crafting with Eyes Wide Open, you will see I'm experimenting with shorts. It seems like this could work, but boy, a minute goes by really fast, so you got to talk fast and work fast and have a plan. So what I did is I showed you really quickly that I'm making tickets, and this is 2 inches by 3 inches. And then I made the second layer a 1/4 inch smaller. So instead of being 2 inches, it's 1.75. And instead of being 3 inches in length, it's 2.75. So that it fits very snugly into this ticket size. You can make them any size. You can make them long. You can make them into labels, whatever you want. But I figured this was a good size of ticket. And then to get the little nubs taken out of the corners, you need to match both papers at the same time. This way your corners will look the same. And so what I've done is I've matched the, I hope I've been showing you that. Okay, yeah. I've matched the 2 corners here, and I'm just taking my hole punch and I'm just taking a little bite out of the corner. So that makes your little ticket piece. And then I'm moving this over and doing the same thing 4 times. Now I'm going to make these, I don't care if I end up with 100 of these, but this is the first part. So I'm going to be making these all day long. I'm going to start with these, and then I'm going to do more as I go along. I don't think it's going to make a huge dent in my scrapbook paper, but it's one more thing that we've gotten out of that pile. So this is what it looks like when it's done, and then I'm going to glue them all together, maybe ink them up a little bit, and once I have all these done, I'm going to start decorating, and I may go back. This is the pile of paper that I pulled, so I may go back and do a few more yet, and I can pull other items out of here. I just grabbed a handful of things. But you want something relatively neutral, because we're going to be building on top of this and decorating on top, because they're tickets, not really labels, but you can make them into labels by all means. So don't hesitate to change them up how you want them to be, or, do something totally different. I'm doing this in, of course, Crafting with Eyes Wide Open, so you can follow along there and show me the progress of whatever it is you're making. And then I do this so far every Saturday, although I will be taking a break from it coming up, but I will explain that in another video. But there, see, just like that, another ticket is ready to be glued down and ready to go. I might, if I've taken too big of a bite here, I might take my scissors and just trim it off just a little bit, so it doesn't look quite so like I took a chunk out of there. So I hope that makes sense. And yeah, so I'm going to continue to go along and do all of these and glue them all together. And hopefully whatever I have done by 1 o'clock, I will show and start the next process. See you in a bit. Okay, I kind of forgot to turn the camera back on when I finished putting these together. They're all glued, and on these ones, I've already started to put some stickers on them, and there are some done, but I'll wait and show you that in the next stage. So I've got stickers on here. I'm adding some washi tape. On some of them I did flowers, some of them I did people. I'm going to put a little label down here, and maybe do some ink stamping. I've kind of been working with my postage ink stamp here, this one, you can see, and so just doing a little bit of postage stamping in the corners and stuff. So that's what they look like, and I made 26 in total. I'm pretty happy with how they're going to turn. They're turning out. So when you next see them, they'll be all done. But yeah, this is a great little project. I'm going to do these again. They were fun, fast, easy, and it used up not a lot of stuff. But yeah, I'll get back into that and show you the finished results in a few minutes. Okay, be right back. Okay, so there you have it. 26 tickets. They look like T cards to me. And I've only used a few of my own digitals. I wish I would have used all my own digitals. Then I would have scanned these and made them available for everybody. But I'm going to make more of these. They were fun. They were fun and easy, and it used up scraps. Some of them, well, I did mostly the scrapbook paper in the background and then a lighter scrapbook paper on top to give it a, a neutral surface to work on. Some of them I used book pages instead. I just used the same size, but you can make these any size you want. There's no rules. It's just that I made a 1/4 inch difference in whatever the sizes were. So if this was 2 by 3, then the inside square was 1.75 by 2.75. So just a 1/4 inch smaller. And, some I did with flowers. They turned out so cute. I've got some ink stamping on here, and I've got, labels that I stamped on. Not hard to do. Some of these have some washi tape, like the birds have washi tape here. And then I did a couple with butterflies because, the day wouldn't be a good day if I didn't have butterflies in there, right? So easy, so easy. And yet they look so cute and they're great to journal on. I think the only thing I will do now is I'm still going to stitch around them because that's what I like. So I will just do one round of, a straight stitch around them just to hold everything in and just for a final finish on them. But the ink, this is a glossy paper and the ink hasn't, it's pigment ink, so it hasn't dried yet on some of these. So I have to let them sit overnight, I think. But yeah, I would definitely do these again without any hesitation. Probably the only thing I didn't like was lining up the 2 papers into the corner so that I could chop out the corner. I don't think I would do that in the future. I think I would either just cut off the nubs, the way I cut off like the bottom of a tag or something. I wouldn't put an effort onto chopping them out, although they look cute as tickets. But to me, they just make really cute little tea cards. So I think I will definitely look at doing these again for sure. I hope you guys continue to get something out of this. I have to say, Nancy Bissett is our biggest participant in this. She's participated every week. I did have a few of you last week, and so I'm just doing the old-fashioned draw. I had Nancy, Linda Stiles, Nikki, and Brenda, so I'm just going to cut these up. Brenda Clark worked on her box. She was doing a box to hold ephemera, large pieces, I think 8.5 by 11. Linda Stiles did some really cute tags and pockets, and Nikki worked on her Happy Mail Movement journal. It's amazing looking. And then Nancy did an assortment of tags and pieces. So I'm just going to put everybody into here, into my glass jar that was supposed to be my glue gun holder, which it doesn't work. So now I have to find another use for it. But for today, I'll do this. Normally, I would go and do the draw on, the YouTube picker, but it just takes, it's just faster to do it this way. So you can see what I'm doing here. I don't know what I'm getting here. So I'm just pulling that one out. And who is the winner going to be? Linda Stiles. So Linda, you will get a participation gift from me. So I'll need you to message me privately so I can have your address to mail your goodie out. It's just a little Happy Mail thing. You might get a couple of these in the package. So yeah, Linda is the winner for this week. But yeah, so far Nancy's playing by herself, you guys. So unless somebody else steps up and then we have a competition of 2 names, then it looks like Nancy's going to be our winner. And she's making these tickets too, and they're going to be really, really cute when she's done. You have till the end of the day to put anything in for participating. But yeah, the whole idea is to have interaction and to get you motivated to create stuff. So that I hope that we can at least inspire you, if nothing else. Go and check out the Facebook group and see what everybody did, or see what Nancy did this week. Way to go, Nancy. So on tomorrow is Sunday. I'm away tomorrow, and Monday I have other things to do. Tuesday is our Techniques Tuesday, and we had so much fun making those little cabotons. You guys loved it. I loved making it. I can't wait to play with those again. And so we are going to be making a new style of flower. I would say bring stuff to the table, but you may want to just stop and start the video whenever you're ready. And it's mostly fabric and your threads that you're going to be bringing for this week's floral tutorial. I do have two really super duper fun flower tutorials that will be coming up after this. They will totally blow your mind as to the things that we can do with flowers. Actually, there's another one, but it'll come up later on in the summer. But I'm taking 2 weeks off. Now, when I say 2 weeks off, Tuesday will be my last Techniques Tuesday. And Wednesday, I will be doing my Happy Mail movement. I already got an envelope on Friday, so I'll just wait and see what else catches up in the process so that I can have a few for Wednesday. I'm still going to do my Happy Mail movement envelopes. As they come in, I will still do a video for those. I will still post a quickie video on Friday if I have my digitals done to show you what's the latest digitals. And I am in the works on doing some so that I can probably show you on Friday. Hopefully they'll be done before that. And, I may just put some up on the site and just leave you a quick note through Coffee. If you follow me on Coffee, you'll see. But I need 2 weeks off, and, I will slip a video in where I have time, but it's going to be hit and miss, and it won't be a Techniques Tuesday because I have to do a little bit of prep work for these next two videos after this one. Yeah, I'm just really behind in some orders for, a very important client. And so I have to get those done. I'm behind the 8 ball now. And, that is my main focus for income. So I have to get these orders done. So I have to take a couple of weeks off so I can seriously work on them. And, I've just been coming in here and doing stuff and piling and piling and piling. And I'm just overwhelmed with the stuff that's not getting put away. And I've got, I really need to spread out to do these journals. So I need a couple of days to clean up my desk. Seriously, not that I can clear up like the trays of stuff, but at least everything needs to be organized so I can, move those over and then have my whole desk to work on some special journals. So yeah, 2 weeks off is what I kind of need. 2 weeks, maybe a few days less, maybe a few days more. It depends on how focused I am and how I can get this done. Sometimes it takes 2-3 days to get in the mode. So yeah, I just, need a bit of a break. So I will continue shopping and pile the stuff up for my Thrifty Canucks. I will continue making digitals and post them when I can. And I will continue to do Happy Mail. So those are the main things that I will still focus on. But, it will be hit and miss as to when the videos actually come out. So otherwise, I will see you on Tuesday. So I wish you guys a very creative weekend. You've got lots of time to play. Like, look at this, 26 in just a few hours, and it was fun. It was not a pressured play. I got to, choose colors and choose stickers and, it was just fun. So give this a whirl if you haven't already. And, they're nice little cards to journal on the back, tuck in a little side pocket or a little tuck spot, or they can become the tuck. You can glue this down on 2 sides and it's a tuck. You can glue it on 3 sides and put something small inside, like a smaller ticket, or you can glue 3 sides that way and have it as a side tuck. So play around because, yeah, this was fun. This was a lot of fun. One of my favorite things. So I'm going to be making more of these. They almost look like playing cards, don't they? So yeah, that's it. That's all for today. Congrats to Linda Stiles. Linda, get a hold of me. Yeah, I will talk to you all on Tuesday. Have a good evening. Bye now.